how to become an affiliate on Amazon in just 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to become an affiliate with Amazon easy and fast. So all what you have to do is log into your account on Amazon.com, and now go down below, and here you will find many options, but go here to the make money with us option and click on become an affiliate. Click on it like this, and here you go. Now you are on Amazon Associates, and you should sign up here, and if they accepted you, you will become an affiliate easy and fast with this method. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.